In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay AliExpress with Payoneer. We'll walk through the process from your Payoneer dashboard to completing checkout on AliExpress, with tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Start by signing in to your Payoneer account. Once you're in, go to the card section. If you haven't done this before, activate your Payoneer virtual card. Activation takes just a moment, and the virtual card works online like a regular MasterCard. After activation, carefully note your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Treat these details like you would a physical card. Keep them private and secure. It's also smart to confirm you have enough available balance to cover the order, including possible currency conversion or small verification holds. Next, open AliExpress. Browse for the items you want, add them to your cart, and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, double-check your shipping address, delivery options, and the total cost, including shipping and taxes. If AliExpress shows prices in a currency different from your card's currency, remember that the final charge will be converted, and a conversion fee may apply. When you reach the payment section, choose credit or debit card. AliExpress treats the Payoneer virtual card like a standard MasterCard, so you don't need any special setup here. Enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV exactly as they appear. Use your Payoneer account name as the cardholder name, and for the billing address, use the address associated with your Payoneer profile. If AliExpress offers to save your card for future purchases, only do that on devices you trust. Now confirm the payment. You may briefly see a security screen. Complete any additional verification if prompted. Once approved, the payment is deducted from your Payoneer balance, just like any normal card transaction. You should see an order confirmation on AliExpress and, shortly after, a confirmation message. In your Payoneer account, the charge will appear in your transactions list. If the payment doesn't go through, make sure your virtual card is activated, your balance is sufficient, and online or international transactions are enabled. Also, check that your billing details match what Payoneer has on file. Availability of card payments can vary by region or item, but credit or debit card is widely supported on AliExpress. For smoother checkouts, keep the Payoneer app handy to review card details or approve any security prompts. If your cart includes multiple sellers, AliExpress may split the charge. That's normal. Refunds, when applicable, are sent back to the same Payoneer card and will appear once processed. And that's it. You've successfully paid on AliExpress using your Payoneer virtual card quickly and securely.